Hi there, Cryptozician here. So everybody's taking a dump. Everybody has been taking a dump for a couple of days now, since the Bitcoin ETFs were approved, and then Bitcoin consolidated for a while before it then broke to the downside. Now, if we're looking at Bitcoin, we can see on the weekly chart that we have three consecutive bearish candles here, here, and here. So we can see that, okay, this candle has continued to point downwards, and if it closes bearish, then we may have to see for the downside. Now I can see this very interesting level that is very obvious right here. First of all, we can see a bullish engulfing candle here, or a bullish candle with a very massive fair value gap. All right, now the fair value gap is from the wick of the next candle to the top wick of the bottom of the previous candle. So that is called a fair value gap, and it coincides with this EMA, the 50 period EMA right here. So I believe that that's a very interesting point that price may be targeting, and I would really like to see it get to that point, because I know that would be the 32K range for BTC, and that would also that would drive a lot of altcoins down also to very key levels and lower prices. Now let me share something with you here, okay, having said all this about Bitcoin. Now yes, the ETFs have been approved, spot Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, and this makes it possible or probable for a lot of money to flow into Bitcoin. All right, that will drive Bitcoin's price upwards. Institutional money is going to come in, and regular traditional investors who are used to investing in stocks and forex and all that, who have been scared of investing in crypto prior to now, will feel a certain level of confidence as these ETFs have been approved, because their investment managers, their fund managers, are going to actually encourage them to do so. However, all right, most smart traders, especially the experienced traditional traders, are going to be looking for lower prices. They're going to be looking for lower Bitcoin prices. They are not FOMO traders who are just going to jump into Bitcoin because they see green candles. They are going to hope that price falls down to much lower prices that they can now enter in at and then ride it all the way up. So do not just be thinking that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up. A lot of people think the bull market has already started. I do not think so. I repeat, I do not think that the bull market has already commenced. I still believe that Bitcoin is heading downward, and we'll still see lower price points before we see a much higher price point, or a break of this level to the upside, which is the all-time high of 69K. I believe we're going to see lower prices before price gets to that point. Now, I know that a lot of institutional money is going to be coming in, and the capitulation that usually happens after the Bitcoin halving, which is when miners decide to sell off their BTCs, it may not be as drastic as the capitulation that happened in past Bitcoin cycles. All right. However, this doesn't mean that institutional money is just going to completely render that ineffective. Okay, it means that yes, money is going to flow in, but majority of the Bitcoin holders, who are the miners, are certainly going to want to sell when their rewards are going to be cut in half. All right, and then after supply has been greatly reduced, then price can now start astronomically going higher and breaking all-time highs. Okay, so I believe price is still going to come down, so hang in there and DCA into your favorite projects, having made your research at a lower price point to maximize your profit. Now, this is by no means financial advice. Do your own research before you take your positions. I'm Cryptozician, and I'm out.